this is Elizabeth, and we're back with the mini album. And I'm working on this set of pages here. This is the Kaleidoscope Florals or Flowers Kaleidoscope. It's definitely a kaleidoscope by Simon Hurley. And I stamped it on both sides, and I just picked a couple of rows to go in and fill in the centers. And then on the one side, it didn't stamp very good. So this stamp set is a peel apart, which means you can pull out the center pieces and just stamp what you want. So I went ahead and picked the little guys because they're the ones that didn't stamp the best. And I cut out enough to do a couple of rows on each page. And I used some shimmery liquidy stuff, you know, the Spectrum Noir shimmer pots. There's lots of brands out there and different pens you can use to add some shimmer. And that's all I did. And then I went down and glued them in to cover up any of my mistakes, and then just trimmed what I needed. This next set here, I was looking at the mandala, the flowering mandala, also by Simon Hurley, and decided I want that in the center of each of the signatures. So I need to do this 2 more times because I've got 3 signatures. I did ink blend purple into the one layer but lost the footage. But there's the yellow one stamped with green, and here is the purple one stamped with what color did I use? A darker purple. So we have triple berry background stamped over with Crown Me. So just using the same design in different ways will really stretch your stash, and you'll be able to do more in your journals. Now this page here, I just took a nice Simon Hurley stencil. I'm not sure if this one's still available at the store, but Simon Hurley products, Lawn Fawn products, all at Crescent Creation are on sale. She is closing up her shop, so stop on by and see what you can find. And I'm debating. I'm like, I want some pockets, or tucks. I wasn't sure, so I grabbed a flower from one of his stamp sets that's very similar. And it's a nice flower because it comes with the inside punch, and so I just set it on there where I need it to, then pick it up the way I would use my stamping block. That way there I don't have to wiggle my hands around. I stamp it once, then I get another color just to go around the edges, do a little bit of ink blending just to soften those marks, and then stamp it again. And it really adds a little bit more dimension. And then we're going to reverse the colors. I did Crown Me with Triple Berry, and now I'm doing Triple Berry with Crown Me, and you'll be able to see this one turned out a little bit better. But you just stamp your edges, brush it in, and then stamp. Well, there we go. And see, it's really lovely. And then with the leaves, I just place them exactly where they need to go. Okay, and then I'm going to pick them all up with the same block. That way there I can color them all at the same time and be a happy camper. These layered stamps are super easy. There's just the 2 layers. And you can just use your little bit of ink blending to really stretch the design. And then I'm gonna glue them, fussy cut and glue them down in just the corners, so you can pop in a picture or a sentiment or something in there to tuck right under these little corners. And that will be the end of this video. This one's a little shorty, but I hope you enjoy seeing some of the process. I know I have fun making these, and we'll see you again. Have a great crafty day, my friends. Bye-bye.